Honorable Principal, respectable teachers, and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Umehani and I study in class 7. Today my topic of speech is Pakistan, my identity. Everyone is known by his country and my identity is Pakistan. I am proud to be the citizen of that country, which is the first Islamic nuclear power in the world. I am the citizen of that country, which is the sixth largest army in the world, capable of defeating any enemy, whose area is not only full of beauty and serenity, but rich in minerals too. My dear friends, Pakistan is the place where I live with pride. I can do as I want with freedom, where I can say my words and articulate my ideas independently. Wherever I go, I can introduce myself as Pakistani, because Pakistan is my identity. उस कौम को शमशीर की हाजत नहीं होती, उस कौम को शमशीर की हाजत नहीं होती, हो जिसके जवानों की खुदी सूरत फौलाद. Thank you so much.